The guys have completed almost all of the installation of the hardware and doorknobs and so forth, and boy, what a finished look you get when you finally get to put the doorknobs on. You know, a lot of times when people are selecting doorknobs, all they're looking for is just the right finish. Of course, this one from Schlage has the right brushed nickel that we were looking for, but what really makes this so easy to install these days is how they have everything lined up just right. Now, this is a privacy type lock because this is the master bedroom suite, but this is amazing how quick and easy you're able to install these locks these days. I mean, I remember putting these things on and just laboring away at trying to line up these long screws. Now, right now, the way it is, there's no way to mess this up at all. You get it started, get your screwdriver, and there's only one place for that screw to go. Works out great, looks great, and I'm glad to help them put a few of the finishing touches here on the Kuppersmith project.